Now, talking about drying and over drying, if you put your meat in your outside smoker, keep the temperature down low. The process for drying a good quality jerky is low temperatures, longer periods of time. I usually start at around 90 degrees and try and hold it there, and for 4, 5, 6 hours. But for instance, this jerky here, this is a turkey jerky. As you can see, you can bend it without it cracking and breaking. This is the bigger jerky, and you can still twist it and bend it. And it will break to a certain extent, but it's still soft and still is pliable. This is the flat pieces, and it's still soft. And then these are actually over-dried on purpose, and these were dried at about 140 to 150 degrees. And as you can see, the quality of this versus the other, it breaks. It's edible, and it will be good. But it's just a hard, dried piece of meat that tastes like jerky. And when they break and crumble like this, that's low quality jerky. And this is what you want to try and prevent from happening. If you want the same information that's on this video in book form, go to thetexaslink.com.